Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video I'm going to show you how to decorate this beautiful Oreo cake. I've already baked my cakes. To watch a video on how to bake these cakes, click on the link above. When my cakes have cooled down, I cut them into two so that I have 4 pieces and put these to one side. I've also made some Swiss meringue buttercream which I'm going to use. I'm adding some crushed Oreos to the buttercream to make it Oreo buttercream. And then I'm going to get one of the cake layers, put it on a cake board or serving plate, and then add my Oreo buttercream. I'm also going to add a few sprinkles of the crushed Oreos on top, and then layer my cakes until I have the final cake on top. For this recipe, I'm using Oreo buttercream for the crumb coat because that's what I have. So I'm not going to make another batch. So I just crumb coat my cake with the Oreo buttercream. This is just a thin layer of buttercream to stop the crumbs going onto the cake. So just crumb coat the whole cake. So I've done the sides, so you just get your spatula or scraper and go round the sides of your cake, making sure it's nice and smooth. And then you can also put some on the top and smooth it out. Put this in the fridge to firm up. When it's out of the fridge, you can touch it and you see there's no buttercream left on your hands. I'm using ganache for this recipe. So I've made some white chocolate ganache and some dark chocolate ganache, which I'm going to use to decorate the cake. I'm going to put blobs of this dark chocolate ganache all over the cake. And then I'm also going to get some of the white ganache and put blobs all around the cake. When I'm happy with this, I'm going to get my spatula and then smooth the cake. If you put it on a table, it's not easy to spin the cake around to get a smooth finish, so you need a turntable. Put your cake on the turntable. You find it so much easier to smooth your cake. And then just go around and then put any excess ganache in a bowl, in a separate bowl. And then if there are patches that are not covered completely with the ganache, just get some of your ganache, either the white one or the dark one, and put some more, and then go around the cake again to smooth it until you're happy with it. It can take a few tries, but just persevere and carry on. You can put some on top of the cake and smooth it as well. And then ganache usually sets at room temperature, so you can just leave it to set. When it's set, you can now use your ganache to pipe on top, like I've done here. And then I'm going to add some grated chocolate on top. And I'm going to also put some drip. I think you could drip before you pipe on top, but I left it until late and then I piped it after the piping was done. It's still okay, but I think probably doing it before is better, and then you pipe again. But anyway, I've decorated the top, and now I'm just putting drips on there on the cake and just let it drip all down. And then I'm going to get little pieces of Oreo and put it on each slice, and that's it. I'm going to cut and slice and show you what it looks like inside. Nice, baked through, and it tastes great. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbrownbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.